Unlock the secret to captivating designs by mastering Photoshop's seamless gradient backgrounds. First, let's open Adobe Photoshop and create a new document. You can choose any dimensions that suit your project. Now, locate the gradient tool in your toolbar. It often looks like a smooth color transition if you don't see it. It might be hidden under the paint bucket tool. Just click and hold the paint bucket, and you'll find the gradient tool there. With the gradient tool selected, look for the gradient preview bar at the top of your screen. Clicking this will open the gradient editor. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a spectrum of colors already available for you to use, or you can create your own custom gradients. To customize, click on any of the small squares beneath the gradient bar. These are called color stops. Clicking a color stop allows you to choose a new color for that point in your gradient. You can either select from the preset color swatches or double-click a stop and use the eyedropper to pick a color from anywhere on your screen or even outside of Photoshop. You can also adjust the location of these color stops. Simply click and drag a color stop along the gradient bar to control where each color begins and ends its transition for smoother blends. You can add more color stops by clicking anywhere on the gradient bar where there isn't already a stop. Remember, you can remove a color stop by dragging it away from the bar. Once you have your colors set, you'll want to choose a gradient type. At the top of the gradient editor, you'll see options like linear, radial, angle, reflected, and diamond. Experiment with these to see which style best fits your design aesthetic. A linear gradient flows in a straight line, while a radial gradient expands from a central point. Now, let's apply our beautiful new gradient. With your chosen gradient and type selected, click and drag your mouse across your Photoshop document. The length and direction of your drag will determine how the gradient is applied. A longer drag will create a more subtle blend, while a shorter drag will result in a more abrupt transition. And there you have it, a stunning, custom-made gradient background that can elevate any of your creative projects. Play around with different color combinations and types to truly make your designs pop.